Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, you are probably sick or on a vacation, maybe you need a break, and you are looking on how to actually post a training plan in Runna app in 2026. Well, that's totally doable in this new version. We also have like two ways to do so let's get started. First and first, we're gonna go all the way. You can use this for 3 to 14 days if you are sick, injured, or need a short step back. It temporarily dials back your plan so you can recover safely. It's an option of not feeling 100% in the Rune app. As for the second option, as holiday mode, it's basically like going away. Just go all the way to plan, select manage plan, then adapt plan, add a holiday, then select your dates. They are basically 3 to 21 days. And choose how much you want to run while away. So how the holiday mode works. You can choose from all workouts, or easy plus long runs only, easy runs only, or no running. It's basically a full break at this point. Runa automatically shuffles your deload weeks and adjusts mileage around your break. So when you return, like when your holiday fully ends, Runa sends a push notifications and your plan picks up right where you left off. No guilt included, no lost progress. The app will do you good. It will rearrange the basically workouts that you skipped. They're gonna add you some good ones and don't even worry about that. So thank you all for watching and I will see you all in the next video.